Hello, Directive. Today I'm going to show you how to get to 100, part 1. What 10? But first we put the 1 here, then another one, that makes 2. Repeat this process again, and you get a 3. Repeat the process again, and again, so if you get a 4, you're great. Along the best of 99%. Now, in the middle! Wow, I reached a new level. Do you know what happened in the last play? I definitely changed when I just got a 9. Let's try that again. And get a new number again. 3 makes 4. Wow, you get a new number. Things I've never tried before. Yes! Level up! Five, another 5, 4. So what could possibly happen? What the? Nope, I'm not going to clear the board. I shouldn't reach level 12, cause this is easy. Yeah, combo! You actually can make combos like that. See? What the hell is that? What the? How did that happen? How the hell did that happen? Nope. Oh my god! But this will be a hard challenge. Wow. Whoa! Every line! Just one more number and then my tutorial's complete. So all I have to do now is to use the 3 level, the first level. Hey, got a 7. I'm gonna use this for later. Wait, what am I doing? Seven. Oh, 7, 8, 9. That was extraordinary. Okay, we're so close to the end of this tutorial. Okay, let's do this. You got a 5, then you got a 6, then a 7. Let's make that a 4 here, 6 here. Don't have the 20. Don't mind about it. Wow. Those are the steps. Oh my god! It's almost filled up. What's the dog doing? Yes! Please subscribe to my channel, Rocky's Creation, so you can see all other 9 parts. Goodbye, and see you in part 2. Oh, like and subscribe even hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single update.